Welcome to SANSETO Capital, everyone. Thank you for supporting us by seeing our previous videos in the YouTube channel, subscribing, and sharing this video. Today, we are here to explain another trading strategy which is working very good in the market. This is basically a selling strategy. Okay, so the strategy name is 5 EMA selling strategy. We would like to thank Mr. Subhash who found the strategy and made some tweaking. We are here to explain the same strategy but with little more confirmations and different type of approach in this strategy. Okay, 5 EMA means everybody know 5 EMA is like exponential moving average. Past 5 minutes candle average will be calculated and the line will be drawn. Okay, if the market is going like this, uh, the candle will travel along with the 5 EMA line. Okay, so our condition is if any candle is touching the 5 EMA line, we should not go for a trade. Okay, even the wick also should not be touching. So the conditions are no wick touching. Second one, when there is a new candle is forming without touching the 5 EMA, okay, and the next candle should cross the previous low of the candle, assuming this is the low of the candle. Okay, so as long as the candle low is not crossing, we are not going to take a trade. What if this is forming another lane? This will become the low. If this is forming another candle, this will become the low. Okay, as soon as the low of this particular candle is been crossing, we are taking a trade, and previous candle high or maybe like 2 to 5 points little above the high will be the stop loss. Okay, so this whenever the market is moving, there is a saying in the market will go up in the stairs while returning this will come like in the lift. Okay, or maybe it's jumping out of the window. So the fear in the market is higher compared to the buying pressure. Okay, so when the market is moving like one by one and it will be suddenly reverting and hunting all these stop losses. Okay, that is how this strategy works. Let's go to the chart and see how this chart is, how this um, strategy has been working in this market. Okay, open a new tab, go to tradingview.com, go to products super chart. This strategy is working mainly on the bank nifty 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this 5 EMA we are going to use it only on the 5 minutes time frame. How the general strategy works, click on EMA, moving exponential average, go to this value, modify this level as 5, and for visibility I'm making this as a black color. Okay, how this works, this is works only on the selling side. Now when the market is moving it is always touching the candles, so here this is not touching, this is crossing the previous low and this has stopped out. In another example this is not touching it, here we have a big candle, so when this low is broken we are taking into a trade. Okay, this is a valid trade. Here if you are taking a trade here, what would be our stop loss? Previous candle high will be our stop loss, maybe high or little high it will be our stop loss. Okay, and you can look for 1:3 risk reward ratio minimum. Okay, you can see this has given more than 1:3 risk reward, 1:5 risk reward ratio is given here. Okay, similarly if we have another opportunity here, when the market is forming this kind of candle, we are going when the other candle low has been crossing, previous candle high will be the stop loss, and we have captured 1:1 ratio which is 80 points. Okay, in this particular strategy most of the time it is working and there is a high chances of hunting the hustle also available. Okay, so to fine tune this, we have come up with a little more tweaking, maybe improvisation. So SANSETO Capital, we have created two indicators. One is customized EMA and another one is customized RSI. As soon as you added the customized EMA, you will have a risk reward ratio. You can decide whether you want 1:1 risk reward, 1:2, or 1:3, or 1:5. You can decide your risk reward ratio. And for now, we have given here like target 1, target 2, target 3, and you can modify the numbers. For now, our target 1 is 20 points. What if we modify to 30 points? In the left hand side, you can see some values might be changing now. You have seen, right? So the values are changing. What if your target 1 itself is 50 points? You can see the target 1 is done. Your target 2 is 100 points. Your target 3 is maybe 200 points. Okay, so you can decide your targets. Okay, for now we are resetting this to default. To avoid multiple number of stop loss hunting, okay, so here you can see there is a selling candle. You can see there is a stop loss hunting also happened immediately. So another selling and the stop loss hunt. So in order to avoid multiple stop loss hunt, we need to keep our rules. We should take only 3 to 4 trades per day. That is mandatory. We should not take more than 4 trades because this is kind of a scalping. When there is a fear is coming into the market, we are jumping into the trade and taking the trade opportunity. Second thing, when the market is overbought, then only we should go for an entry. So everybody knows what is RSI indicator is. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. RSI, if the RSI is above 70, you can see this is a good opportunity where the market is already overbought and there is a high chances of going on a sell side, high chance of going down the market. Okay, if the market is already less than 30, it will be oversold, so the high chances of market going to the upside. Okay, so now let's go and test the strategy whether it's working or not by using these two indicators. Okay, so we are coming here, which is August 22. The indicator has given one signal. Okay, here you can see the market is already overbought. There is high chances of market falling down. As soon as you see the signal, you will be entering into the trade. And for this trade, if you would have entered cross of this line, you would have captured around 100 points. 100 points in Bank Nifty, it's a decent amount. Okay. Next one, we have another opportunity, same day. As soon as you see this selling signal, you will be entering here and you would have captured around 40, 50, yeah, 50 points. Here we are seeing based on the 20 points, short target is hit. Okay, but you can you can hold the trade as long as you want and to get the more number of profits. Sometimes you can set this like target 1, target 2 is done. How the targets are done, you will understand by executing the trades. So for now, in this area, target 1 is 20 points, target 2 is 50 points. What if I want 50 points? Here you can see we get another sell signal. The market is already overbought. Okay, so in this area, the market is going to reverse. There is a high possibility of going to reverse. You can say that. When this candle is broken, low is broken, you will be entering into the trade. This is a low. Okay, so you will have captured another maybe 62 points here. Another trade you will be entering when there is a sell signal is coming. There will be a when previous candle low is crossing, you will be entering into the trade. So mid of the candle, we got an opportunity, and we have captured 70 points. If you would have held it for a little more longer, you would have captured around 130 points. Okay, it's completely based on the risk and reward ratio. Okay, we will check one stop loss hunt, how the stop loss hunt is happening. Okay, we will come to know. So here we are satisfying the same condition. Sell signal is there. Market is already overbought. Okay, we are at to we are thinking okay the market will go down. One key point here what we can say is in top you can see there is a sell signal, but in the bottom it is still in uptrend. The candle is if it is a doji you can go on a trade, but this is a solid buy side candle. Okay, you can see there is more buying pressure this side, so do not enter into this kind of area. Again, if you would have entered, this will be a stop loss hit. Again, this area also here there is a green candle. You would have gone into a loss only. At this area, you can see here also the candle is green, but compared to these two candles, this candle is like selling pressure is down. How do we know that? I'll just zoom little bit. I'll make you understand three different candles. Okay, so I'll just zoomed in. So I'm marking two candles where there is sell signal here. Here the wick is little, wick is very smaller. Okay, there is more buying pressure only. So try to avoid this trade. When this kind of signal came, again the wick is very less only. There is a more buyers on this particular candle. Okay, try to avoid this kind of a trade. When it comes to this candle, you can see there is a big wick from the top. Okay, usually if the wick is if the wick is happening from the bottom, so the buyers are trying to push the price. If the wick is happening on the top, sellers are trying to push down the price. Okay, here I don't see much sellers. Here also I don't see much sellers. Here I see a decent number of sellers. Okay, sell signal is there, more number of sellers are there, and this is above 70, the RSI is above 70, so which is satisfying all of our conditions, so we could take a risk here. Okay, as everybody know, trading is full of risk and reward, but based on risk and reward only the trading will work. If you're afraid of taking a risk, there will be no reward. Okay, if you see this candle here, you can see a sell signal. Okay, but as we said, the buying pressure is higher, you can see, because as you say, if there is a big wick from the bottom, only the buyers are trying to push the market from down to upside. We don't see a confirmation. Okay, so before you take before you jump into any trade, you just take multiple number of confirmation before you going. By plotting the sell signal, buy signal, and this RSI, you don't have to every time go into the market and wait for the signal to appear, or you don't have to always watch this particular market. What you can do, click on this alert, click on the plus symbol, click on our indicator, our SANSETO EMA customized, click on go short, once per bar, 5 minutes, sell signal, BNF. BNF stands for Bank Nifty. Okay, what is the message you need? Sell signal 5 minutes EMA. If you created the alerts, so the alerts will be created here. Whenever there is a 5 minutes whenever there is a sell signal is been triggered, whenever there is a sell signal is triggered, you will get an alert in the mobile or maybe trading view account wherever you have. Okay, you can use this in the free account, as you are allowed to add two indicators in one account. So if you would like to use our test or these two indicators, we will leave these indicator links in the YouTube description. You can take this and you can add this and see this video and try to practice first. Do not jump into the real trade immediately, because uh, we are putting our hard-earned money into the market and trying to make something out of it. So do not directly trade with real money. Start doing some paper trades, and you can see in per day how many trades you are getting, how many signals you are getting. Based on that, you can just do a real trade. If you see this 22nd August and 23rd August, how many successful profits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven successful trades in a row. There is no stop loss even. Okay. Some are very good profit, some are minimum profit 20 points, some are 50 points, some are more than 100 points. Okay, so this is a working strategy which is there in the market for a long time. So kindly make use of it. If you have any questions, you can drop your comments. We will try to answer it. If any improvisation more can be done on this particular strategy, feel free to contact us on Instagram chat. We will fine tune the strategy and we will give it to the people. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Have a good day.